Tonight, the Georgia Supreme Court is weighing whether to grant a Cobb County man a new trial after a jury convicted him of intentionally killing his toddler son by leaving him in a hot car. Attorneys for Ross Harris argue that some of the evidence originally presented back in 2016 should have been excluded. Caitlin Ross, live outside the Supreme Court, breaking down what happens next here. Caitlin.
Sheba, Ross Harris wants a new trial that would look a lot different. When I covered the trial in 2016, the state spent hours breaking down these text messages and interactions he had with other women and young girls. Ross Harris doesn't want any of those messages if he's granted a new trial.
His sexting on this day, whether it be in the distraction, does not show that he's intentionally going to try to kill his child.
Ross Harris's attorney Mitch Durham told the Georgia Supreme Court the messages his client sent to other women should never have been allowed in as evidence at his trial. He also pushed back on a key piece of evidence, the video that showed Ross Harris going to his car during his lunch break while his son Cooper was still strapped into the car seat before returning to work.
And he was only at the car just for a matter of 3 seconds. Doors open, puts it in, closes, head never goes down below.
But Cobb County prosecutor Linda Donikowski, who was not on the prosecution team in 2016, argued all of Harris's behavior points to motive in the 2-year-old's death.
What we have is a child dying in a hot car while Mr. Harris is messaging and sexting with numerous women all day long.
The judges asked questions of both sides about the messages and lewd photographs Harris exchanged with the other women leading up to his son's death.
Millions of people get on Whisper and do this sexual texting. They're not.
Well, it certainly makes him less credible, right?
It absolutely makes him less credible.
I mean, it substantially undermines the things that he said on the day.
The appellate court justices will make their ruling in the next few weeks. Right now, Ross Harris is serving a life sentence without the possibility of parole.